Imagine you are dropped into a jungle with no fire, no stove, and no tools. You find raw meat, hard roots, and wild plants. Now try eating them like animals do, raw, tough, and sometimes dangerous. Within a few days, you would realize something shocking. The human body is not designed to survive on raw food for long. Our teeth are weak, our jaws are small, and our digestive system struggles to extract enough energy from raw food. Millions of years ago, early humans faced this exact problem every single day. They spent hours chewing tough meat and fibrous plants, fighting bacteria, parasites, and constant hunger. Life was slow, exhausting, and focused only on survival. But before we go further, here is a fascinating fact. Chimpanzees, our closest relatives, actually prefer cooked food over raw food when scientists offer them both options. Studies show that chimpanzees willingly wait for cooked food because it is softer and more rewarding, but they simply don't know how to cook or control fire. Now imagine the moment early humans first encountered fire. One theory is that maybe it came from a lightning strike or a forest fire. Animals ran away in fear, but humans stayed curious. Some brave ancestor picked up half-burnt meat left in the fire and tasted it. Something incredible happened. The meat was softer, easier to chew, and more filling. For the first time, food was doing half the digestion work outside the body. This small discovery changed everything. Cooking began to transform human life in ways no one could have imagined. Food became safer because heat killed harmful bacteria and parasites. Plants that were once toxic or indigestible became edible. More calories were extracted from the same amount of food, giving humans a powerful energy advantage. Scientists believe that this extra energy helped fuel the rapid growth of the human brain nearly 1.8 million years ago, especially in early species like Homo erectus. And something even more fascinating happened inside the human body. Our teeth became smaller, our jaws weaker, and our digestive system shorter. Why? Because cooking was already breaking down food before it entered the body, almost like outsourcing digestion to fire. This saved energy, and that saved energy was redirected to the brain, helping humans think, plan, and innovate. Slowly, cooking became more than just eating. It became a social activity. People gathered around fire, shared food, communicated, and built early communities. Fire provided warmth, protection from predators, and a place where ideas and culture began to grow. As humans spent more time around fire, something even more extraordinary started happening. Cooking slowly changed the rhythm of human life. People began returning to the same places to eat together, which eventually led to permanent settlements. Nights were no longer just dark and dangerous. Fire turned them into safe spaces for storytelling, planning, and sharing knowledge. Language started evolving faster, cooperation became stronger, and generations began passing down survival skills and traditions. Cooking was no longer just about food. It became the center of human connection. In many ways, the first kitchens were also the first classrooms, where humans learned how to think, communicate, and build the foundations of civilization. So the real reason only humans cook is not just fire. It is the combination of curiosity, intelligence, patience, planning, and social cooperation. Cooking requires understanding cause and effect, controlling fire, preparing food in advance, and sharing knowledge across generations. Abilities that evolve strongly in humans over time. In a way, cooking did not just change food. It changed human biology, human society, and human intelligence. The fire that once burned in the jungle slowly became the fire that built civilization. And today, every time you cook a simple meal, you are continuing a habit that helped transform a weak primate into the most intelligent species on Earth. Subscribe to Curiosity Compass for more such fascinating and mind-blowing stories that make you see the world differently.